How many India-Japan joint laboratories have been established in the area of information and communication technology? A. 3. B. 1. C. 4. D. 2. The correct answer is A. 3. When was the space probe for the Mars orbiter mission launched? A. 5th November 2013. B. 10th November 2013. C. 22nd December 2008. D. 22nd October 2008. The correct answer is A. 5th November 2013. What type of region is the Thar Desert described as? A. Temperate. B. Coastal. C. Arid. D. Tropical. The correct answer is C. Arid. What is the only natural satellite of the Earth? A. The Moon. B. Jupiter. C. Venus. D. Mars. The correct answer is A. The Moon. Which of the following is not one of the major ports in Tamil Nadu? A. Tuticorin. B. Chennai. C. Ennore. D. Nagpattinam. The correct answer is D. Nagpattinam. What is one step for reducing the number of road accidents related to road engineering? A. Encouraging more two-wheeler use. B. Rectification of accident black spots. C. Removing all traffic signs. D. Increasing speed limits on highways. The correct answer is B. Rectification of accident black spots. What is Europe sometimes called due to its geographical shape? A. The land bridge. B. The Great Plateau. C. The island continent. D. The peninsula of peninsulas. The correct answer is D. The peninsula of peninsulas. What aspect of a country is primarily affected by poverty? A. Agricultural production. B. Standard of living of farmers. C. Purchasing power. D. Economic disparity. The correct answer is C. Purchasing power. What is the term for magma rising to the surface and spreading over a vast area? A. Volcanic eruption. B. Crustal spreading. C. Lava flow. D. Magma surge. The correct answer is C. Lava flow. If a leech bite is not felt as soon as it attaches, what biological mechanism is most likely at play? A. Activation of the immune response. B. Rapid healing of the wound. C. Desensitization of nerve endings. D. Stimulation of pain receptors. The correct answer is C. Desensitization of nerve endings. In muddy water, where does the sediment form when left undisturbed? A. Evenly distributed. B. At the bottom of the beaker. C. Floating on the surface. D. In the top layer. The correct answer is B. At the bottom of the beaker. What is another term for chemical changes? A. Physical alterations. B. Chemical reactions. C. Material modifications. D. Substance transformations. The correct answer is B. Chemical reactions. How are things around us described in relation to one another? A. As isolated. B. As distinct. C. As unrelated. D. As related. The correct answer is D. As related. Why are different colored lights refracted at different extents inside a prisma? A. They have different polarizations. B. They have different speeds. C. They have different intensities. D. They have different amplitudes. The correct answer is B. They have different speeds. Which animal group is Archaeopteryx considered a connecting link to, besides birds? A. Amphibians. B. Reptiles. C. Mammals. D. Fish. The correct answer is B. Reptiles. Plateaus are generally rich in what type of natural resource? A. Water. B. Minerals. C. Animal life. D. Vegetation. The correct answer is B. Minerals. What is added to molten cryolite and pure alumina to lower the fusion temperature of the electrolyte? A. Fluorspar. B. Steam. C. Hydrogen. D. Caustic alkali. The correct answer is A. Fluorspar. In which year was Satara annexed by Dalhousie using the doctrine of lapse? A. 1849. Born in 1848. Circa 1857. D. 1850. The correct answer is born in 1848. What is secreted at the time of puberty that activates male and female sex glands? A. Sex hormones. B. Neurotransmitters. C. Growth inhibitors. D. Digestive enzymes. The correct answer is A. Sex hormones. What happens to light when it hits a mirror? A. It gets reflected. B. It gets absorbed. C. It gets transmitted. D. It gets refracted. The correct answer is A. It gets reflected. Which rulers were challenged by the Chalukyas in the south? A. Kalinga. B. Harsha. C. The Cholas. D. The Pallavas. The correct answer is D. The Pallavas. What is representative democracy? A. A system where rulers are appointed. B. A system where the leader inherits power. C. A system where rulers are elected. D. A system with direct citizen voting. The correct answer is C. A system where rulers are elected. What was a reason for the defeat of the rebel leaders? A. Strong organization. B. Abundance of weapons. C. Excellent discipline. D. Betrayal by their aides. The correct answer is D. Betrayal by their aides. What organization aided in the construction of some roads connecting Indian highways with neighboring countries? A. International Monetary Fund. B. World Trade Organization. C. World Bank. D. Asian Development Bank. The correct answer is C. World Bank. What is a strategy mentioned to conserve water, in addition to rainwater harvesting? A. Importing bottled water. B. Deep well drilling. C. Constructing only large dams. D. A water recycling. The correct answer is D. Water recycling. What is water commonly called due to its ability to dissolve most substances? A. A polar solvent. B. A specific solvent. C. A nonpolar solvent. D. A universal solvent. The correct answer is D. A universal solvent. Where is Dr. G. Ramesh listed as an assistant professor? A. PUMS, Manikkamangalam. B. Dr. Ambedkar Government Arts College. C. Bharati Women's College. D. Presidency College. The correct answer is B. Dr. Ambedkar Government Arts College. Which concept involves the product of mass and velocity? A. Linear momentum. B. Mass ratio. C. Acceleration. D. Force. The correct answer is A. Linear momentum. Who is considered the most illustrious ruler mentioned in relation to the Vijayanagar kingdom? A. Krishna Dev Raya. B. Bukka. C. Harihar. D. Devrai II. The correct answer is A. Krishna Dev Raya. What is the second canon of taxation mentioned? A. Canon of certainty. B. Canon of proportional taxation. C. Canon of convenience. D. Canon of equality. The correct answer is A. Canon of certainty. How did you score?